I welcome you all with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Creator of the universe, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, be on all of you. Myself, Dr Ahamad Shaikh, PhD, DSc, Doctor of Science, Head of Chemistry Department, Maharashtra College, Mumbai University, President, Islamic Vision Research Center. Today I will share with you oceanography. आज हम आपके सामने oceanography के बारे में जिक्र करेंगे. There are 5 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, Antarctic, and India. There are 7 continents, that is the seas: North Pacific, South Pacific, North Atlantic, South Atlantic, Arctic, Antarctic, and India. How beautifully this sea water and water in the ocean is twice refreshed with oxygen, which is the need of creatures in the sea, especially the fishes. This is because of tides. High tides are called spring tides, which happens on first and full moon, and low tides are called neap tides, that is first and last quarters. By this way, when the high tides, the dirt which is on the shore also gets drawn inside in the depth of the sea, and water gets freshed with oxygen. And there are 2 seas. One is having hot water and there is having cold water. Fishes lay eggs in hot water, and when it hatches out and the young one comes out, when they become sufficiently grown up, they join their parents in the cold water. There are 2 seas. One is there are 2 seas where one is sweet and there is salty, and there is a sea where both are salty. Both are salty in the sense that when Mediterranean Sea falls in the Atlantic Ocean at the Gibraltar Sail at 100 kilometers, around 100 kilometers, it moves at a depth of 1,000 meters without mixing. Looks like there is a mixing. Looks like they are meeting each other. They meet, they mix, but still there is a barrier between the two. A slanted line is there through which water of one sea passes into the water of another sea. William Hyde said that it is surprising thing that this is happening, and it is given in the glorious Quran in 7th century, 1400 years before. And when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the glorious Quran, Marjal Bahraini al-Taqiyan, Bainhuma Barzakhulla Yabgiyan. We have set free 2 seas, meeting together, mixing together, but still there is a barrier between the two. हमने 2 समंदर रवा के आपस में मिलते हैं, लेकिन उनके बीच में बरज़ख है, barrier है. Same verse is repeated in 27. Sorry, now verse number 61. And when sweet water meets with salty water, just like river Nile, sweet water falls in the Mediterranean Sea. Particularly in estuaries where sweet water meets with the salty water, there is a barrier as well as forbidden partition that is called pycnocline zone, which scientists have come to know recently, but Quran is talking about this fact 1400 years before. Allah says in the glorious Quran, chapter 25, verse number 53, Surah Furqan, He has set free 2 seas, meeting together. One is sweet and palatable, and there is salty and bitter. Yet there is a barrier and forbidden partition to be passed. Allah तबारक तआला ने 2 समंदर रवा किए, एक का पानी मीठा है, दूसरे का खारा है. दोनों के बीच में पाइक्नोक्लिन जोन है. एक तरफ खारा पानी, दूसरी तरफ मीठा पानी, और बीच में एक अलग सा पानी जिसकी अपनी खुद आइडेंटिटी है, अपनी खुद सॉल्टिश कैरेक्टर है, अपना खुद डेंसिटी है, और अपनी खुद जो है स्वीटनेस है. तो मालूम ये हुआ कि ये पाइक्नोक्लिन जोन जो है, it has maintained its identity. One side is salt water and the other side is palatable sweet water. All these scientists are talking today. William Hyde said that how amazing it is given in the glorious Quran in 7th century, 1400 years before. People have come to know through modern instruments today, but Quran declares in 7th century. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.